Hi, Rob Sinclair from E&S Trading. Here I am today with Dan Lindsay, Managing Director of Billi in their global head office in Thomastown. Dan, great pleasure to be here with you, mate. Step us through what you actually do here.
Rob, awesome to have you here. Obviously, we're in manufacturing. We produce the Billi boiling and chilled filtered water systems. We've been doing that for 25 years. Proud to say that we actually still do our manufacturing and assembly, final testing, everything here on site. Really glad to have you here. Now,
Dan, quality control is a really important thing for Billi. I believe in hearing some of the things you do around here, there's a philosophy internally called 99+. Can you just step us through why that actually could benefit the consumer and what that means to you guys internally?
Okay, well, look, awesome question, something I'm very, very passionate about. 99+ is a score that we give ourselves, which is, it's a 3-year goal. It's about us having a 100% committed team. We want less than 1% of the issues in the field, so in other words 99% plus quality, and then the natural calculation of 100% team and 99% quality is that we'll have a 99% customer satisfaction score.
Fantastic.
And that is our goal. The team, obviously, it's something that we're hugely motivated about, and every time that we hit one of our milestones, we donate funds to a charity as voted by the Billi organisation.
Well, that's great. Now, I mean, we're going to focus on the B5000 unit today, which is a great unit that E&S sells. The smallest underbench combined chilled and boiling filtered water unit in the world. So I can't wait to go out there and see the actual product being put together. We're going to see the process of assembly, also some of the great components that go into the machine. So Dan, I think, from here really we should be wandering out to the factory and having a look at the manufacturing process.
Yeah, let's go.
Here we are with Greg Morwood, Product Manager from Billi. We're now standing in the factory where Billi products are made, and I can't actually wait, Greg, until we see the products that you do inside here. Tell us about what we're going to see.
Rob, we're just going to see the main line through here, and then we're going to go down the back and I'll show you the testing area and how the product works.
Oh, fantastic. Well, why don't you lead the way? Let's go and see the Billi products being put together.
Let's do it.
Well, Greg, here we are inside your manufacturing. Tell us what's going on a bit and what we're seeing around us here.
Yeah, okay, Rob. Basically what we've got is a fairly simple flow. Components come outside into the factory and then through here into sub-assembly. What we can see in sub-assembly at the moment is hot and cold tanks being kitted out here.
Yep.
And in the back there you can see the refrigeration units being brazed.
Fantastic. Exciting stuff. Well, let's go through and see a bit more, hey?
Yeah, okay, let's go.
So Greg, what have we got over here, mate? What are we looking at?
Well, this is a B5000 just at the end of line.
Yep.
You can see that it's nearly finished assembled, and what we're doing here is pressure testing it. So every unit comes down, it's water tested before we take it down for electrical testing.
Oh, fantastic.
Down here we do performance testing that I like to show you.
Awesome. Lead the way, mate. Let's have a look. Now, Greg, one of the most important things for E&S, of course, with any product we sell is reliability, and I think here you can show us the full line testing you do with a Billi product that ensures that every product that goes to one of our customers is going to be in perfect operational order. Such an exciting thing for us.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Very important for Billi as well to make sure everything goes out of the factory right. What you can see here is a B5000 under test, and it's simulating the life cycle that it might see in the customer's house.
So we've got an hour and a half of testing on every unit that you manufacture.
That's right, absolutely.
It's amazing.
Yep. We want to make sure that anything that could go wrong will go wrong here, not in the customer's house.
Well done. For us, again, it's just so important that with any product that we sell, reliability is key. And when you see such a thorough testing process from a manufacturing point of view, where there's an hour and a half in such an expensive process, time is so crucial, and to have an hour and a half dedicated to getting the product perfect is amazing.
It's definitely the production guys would like to see me shorten this process. We insist that they do it.
No, well done. Well, certainly from our point of view, it gives us great confidence.
We've done some pretty extensive testing on the performance of this new tap. The rig I just want to show you here, it just demonstrates the testing, and the method here, we basically run this for 1 million cycles.
And a normal mixer in the home, how many cycles is that normally tested to?
Look, the Australian standards require about 50,000 cycles for your mixer taps. So
and you're testing here to 1 million cycles on this handle?
Yeah, that's right. Basically, we set it up as a commercial product, so we don't want it to be falling over at 60,000. We want it to keep going and going.
Oh, great stuff. Well, again, we just love seeing the lengths you guys go to make sure the product is going to be perfect in the customer's home. Let's go and see the following unit. Hey,
okay.
I want to go and see it.
Let's do that.
Well, Greg, here we are with the world's smallest combined boiled and filtered chilled water unit. Take us through it, mate. I mean, it's so exciting to be here.
Yeah. Look, this one's just come off the line, Robin, and we haven't put the screws in it yet, so I can get it apart pretty easily, but this is how the customer will see it. It's under the bench. Most people think of our product as being the tap, but really this is where the core is.
And that's nice and easy access at the front of the cupboard.
Dead easy. It's a swing out filter, so you just swing out, pull it down, and then swing it back in.
Fantastic.
And the beautiful feature of the Billi, which is pretty unique, is that any waste heat from this compressor comes in here, which is the energy reclaim system. So if we can, we reuse this heat to preheat the water coming into the boiling tank.
Wow.
It's one of the reasons why Billi's need as little ventilation as possible, is because we reclaim the heat there.
It's such an amazingly compact unit, you know, to have such a small combined, you know, we've got the fridge compressor in here keeping our water cold, we've got the storage tanks for boiling with the element inside, and to have it all so neatly combined so that when it fits into the cupboard, you know, the consumer still has plenty of room for their bin underneath the sink and those sort of things. You know.
Absolutely, that's the advantage.
It's just brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, there we have one of the most amazing combined filtered chilled water and boiling water units in the world, and just so proud at ENS to be able to sell such a great product. Greg, thanks for your time today, being able to take us through the manufacturing process. It really has been awesome.
You're most welcome. Thanks for coming down.
Thank you.